Agents, I beg out there, I know what you want to people. Please, you guys need to be reasonable. I know you guys are really trying, you're working your ass out, sourcing for these homes for these people.
Yeah,
And then, but then, 5% is a very reasonable price.
Very
Even
reasonable.
me collecting a place and I'm paying 5% agency, I'll be so happy to pay it. Not the one I'll look at the agency and I'll be like, what the hell did this man do? And you're collecting this amount. What's up, people? It's your boy, Mr. T, as always, on Naija Parley, and I'm here with my brother.
I'm really excited for today's episode. What you got for us, man?
Man, we got a lot of common sense and vibes, like always. You know what it is. Today, I want to talk about the new legal state law in terms of the real estate and what they put in for the people out there, because this is so exciting for me.
It is.
Setting this rights has been an important step for homeowners, for people who are renting the homes. In fact, for everybody involved, brother.
Everybody involved.
Yeah.
The reality in the past used to be, picture this, you have to pay 2 years upfront, agency fee 20%, and you have to pay before you park in.
So crazy, my brother. I've been a victim of this before. So in fact, I'm so excited because seeing this new law, being in place for the people, I feel like it protects everybody.
Sure,
protects the landlord, protects the tenant, protects the agent himself.
Of course.
Because saying that agents are now fixed at 5%, that's a win for everybody.
It's a huge win.
Because a lot of people out there are facing a lot when it comes to agency. They'll tell you 10% agency, 10% agreement.
Some people go as far as 20%.
It's so crazy. Making the rent outrageous, making people facing hell in terms of, securing a home for themselves. It is really tough, bro.
Yeah, of course. And it's so exciting for renters, particularly seeing that disposable income for most Nigerians have been gutted.
I'm telling
and
you,
the thing is, I wanted to quickly list out 5 things that were put in place that would really boost the morale of renters. Go ahead.
Yeah, brother.
All right, we got number 1. You see this thing about upfront rent. It has been, capped at 3 months if you are paying monthly rent.
Yeah.
And it has been capped at 1 year or 1 year. If you're paying.
If you're paying in full,
if you're paying in full.
The maximum year you can pay at a go is 1 year.
Yeah, that's
no landlord.
No such thing.
Nobody can tell you that I want to rent or 1.5 year upfront. No.
It doesn't feel
it's
real.
1 year, or you're paying 3 months, you're paying 3 or you're 6 months at maximum. Like if you say, okay, you just want it a little bit easy for you, you want to pay 6 months, yes, that should be it.
And again, another one, the agency fee, just like you mentioned,
right,
capped at 5%.
5%, man. Agents, I beg out there, I know what you want to do to people. Please, you guys need to be reasonable. I know you guys are really trying, you're working your ass out, sourcing for these homes for these people.
Yeah,
but then 5% is a very reasonable price. Even me collecting a place and I'm paying 5% agency, I'll be so happy to pay it. Not the one I'll look at the agency and I'll be like, what the hell did this man do? And you're collecting this amount because you helped me source for home. Let's go on, bro.
Really. And then the rent increase, there has to be a written notice and a justifiable reason for that.
Right. And the notice must at least last for, I think they said 6 month notice, right? 6 month notice. When they give you that, written note, it has to be at least 6 months up front for you to prepare for it. For you to prepare for change.
Yeah.
Let me use that.
Yeah, of course. And then again, you do not have the right to evict a tenant unless you obtain a court order.
That is one of the most impactful law I see that the Lagos state, put in place. There's a lot of tenants out there who have been thrown out of their houses unnaturally, unlawfully, and it's so bad. Landlord think they are mini gods. They do it a lot. Sometimes they just come without no notice, come in, tell you to leave their property and such. This law would really, create a very safe environment for each and every one of us, both for landlord, both for the tenant, for everybody involved. It will create a good one for everybody.
And then the last but not the least, disputes are now fast tracked, meaning you can have a virtual hearing on issues you may have with tenants, landlords, and everything has been made so simple.
So simple and easy. Trust me, my brother, you as a tenant, you as a landlord, you have your rights. So when your landlord come in irregularly to impeach you from the home, you can sue him to court. Let the court hear you guys. Let the court see who is at fault, and judgment will be passed lawfully. Lagos State government is doing wonders, so they love this one, bro.
This
I'm loving
actually
it.
this is actually a very good one.
I'm
Actually.
telling you, I'm really, really happy about. I'm really, really happy about this, and I think
Mm-hmm.
this will be a stepping stone for us,
Mm-hmm.
to go. And as tenants and as landlords, this will all make us happy.